Hello everybody. Today we are going to be doing topic 13 for the speaking club. The topic for today is my recipe. So as always, this is the Yanggok English Speaking Club where we practice expressing your opinions about your daily life. So for today's activity, we've got 5 steps. So step 1, choose a country that you would like to go to. Step 2, find a special dish from that country. Step 3, write down the recipe for the country's special dish. Okay, so the recipe. Include ingredients and steps to prepare the dish. Now, step 5 is we are going to practice presenting. Okay, so here is the simple basic Korean instructions for those who don't understand. Now, let me show you an example of what you have to do. So, number 1, choose a country. If you don't know what this country is, this is the flag for Turkey. Find a dish from that country that is a special dish from that country. So I have chosen, and I don't know how to say this, izogelen korbasi, something like that. And then write down the recipe for the country's special dish. Okay, so include ingredients and steps to prepare it. So there's lots of ingredients like red lentils, bulgur, white rice, vegetable broth, and you can read the others. And then you can see that I've got these steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 underneath that. So that's what you have to do. Then you are going to present. So let me read through this quickly like you're supposed to. So number 1, boil the rice, bulgur, lentils and onion in vegetable broth for 30 minutes in a pot. Number 2, use a blender to blend everything until smooth. And then number 3, on a saucepan, mix the butter, flour and tomato paste together. And finally, step 4, add to the pot, then add salt and pepper the way you like it. Okay, so pretty simple, just an easy recipe, just to do that. So this is the activity one more time. Remember, there are 5 steps. You are going to submit onto Google Classroom. The deadline is Friday, 20th of November, and I have made a quiz for you to finish. Only 5 easy questions. Again, the due date is on the 20th of November. Okay, I hope this example was easy to understand. I look forward to seeing your examples from what countries and the foods. Until then, have a good week. Bye-bye.